how to remove profile picture on TikTok. Let's start with a clever workaround to remove your TikTok profile picture. Begin by closing the TikTok app and opening your device's web browser. Navigate to Google and search for default profile picture. Switch to the Images tab and browse through the results until you find a blank or neutral image that suits your needs. Once you've found the perfect placeholder, screenshot it. Open your device gallery and click on Edit. Crop the screenshot image out and click Save. With your new default image saved, it's time to head back to TikTok. Open the app and tap on your profile icon. Now, tap on your current profile picture to bring up the option to change it. Select Choose from Library or a similar option, then locate and select the default image you just downloaded. Finally, hit the Save button to confirm your changes. By following these steps, you've effectively removed your personal profile picture without leaving your profile completely blank. The neutral image you've chosen will give the appearance of a profile without a custom picture, achieving the clean, minimalist look you're after. This method is particularly useful if TikTok doesn't offer a direct remove picture option in your app version.